Unboxing my selfie stick tripod for a smartphone. Remote control, wireless, rotate 360-degree, tripod. Can use for super night view, streamer, shutter, and other shooting. It's black. This is so handy. You could put it in a bag, but you should take care of it. It's just plastic, not rubber. No rubber at all. So this is the selfie stick. Selfie. So this is the, what do you call it, tripod. This is great. Awesome. This is awesome. Rotate. You have to rotate. Okay. Put another phone. That's good. And they have there's the remote. Take a selfie. You have to use Bluetooth. Where's the Bluetooth? Bluetooth. You have to activate Bluetooth. Oh, there's a lock.
Cheese, mommy.
Yeah, wait. Okay. No, it's not. The phone has a lock. But it's great.
1, 2, 3.
Selfie. This is the remote for taking selfie. Shoot.
Mommy, sagot to eh.
Wait.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You don't like what? You don't like this? We're gonna put it back. Wait.
Done, mommy.
Wait.
Picture, mommy.
Okay, it's done. It's a nice selfie stick tripod. Selfie stick, tripod, and a remote. This remote is great. Even though you don't bring your tripod or selfie stick, you can bring this one and bring your phone. Stand there. Voila. In case you didn't bring your phone, in case you didn't bring the tripod, you can still use the phone and the remote and try to capture even though far. Take a selfie like this.
Mommy.
Do you like it? It's beautiful. Okay, it's a remote for the camera. We have a remote for the camera.